It's May 13th, and we've got a massive pile of Japanese disclosures to sort through. Activists are circling, dividends are getting slashed, and one baby clothes retailer is making a bold international move. Let's get into it.
Starting with the publisher on ticker 9476, two major activists, Snowball Capital and Trust Hub, just grabbed nearly 20% combined.
And the company explicitly said it couldn't confirm their beneficial ownership. That's a red flag for friction. Meanwhile, net income surged 54%, but it's a mirage, driven entirely by liquidating over 100 million yen of investment securities, while core sales actually shrank.
They also flagged that new freight transport law as a margin risk. This is a classic activist target. A shrinking core business propped up by asset sales?
Activists are definitely busy. Nishio Rental, ticker 9699, just saw SFP and Symphony Financial Partners buy over 25% of the company.
That follows post-expo sales and profit declines. Nishio also sold off subsidiary Otsuka Kogyo and merged others, shrinking their other segment sales by 70%.
SFP clearly smells opportunity in that restructuring. Plus, they recorded a store closure loss and are seeing subsidy income surge. Something's brewing there.
Over to apparel retailer Palemo, ticker 2778. They just omitted their common stock dividend entirely.
Brutal. The core operating subsidiary is insolvent with $3.2 billion in negative net assets. They took out a syndicated loan with strict covenants, and operating cash flow went negative.
They're streamlining from 12 brands down to 6. But this is survival mode. Watch those covenants closely.
Shifting to kids apparel, Nishimatsuya ticker 7545 is making its first international physical expansion into Taiwan.
Sales only grew 4% and net income dropped 15% due to margin compression from labor and logistics costs.
Also, their female manager ratio is stuck at 0.9%. Pretty glaring for a maternity and children's brand.
Finally, MTG ticker 7806. They just reacquired their old water server subsidiary Kerala for nearly 4 billion yen.
They're leveraging Kerala's premium water brand across their massive hotel installation network. But long-term borrowings nearly tripled to fund this and a new head office.
They're also launching a pelvic floor EMS device, moving deeper into femtech. Aggressive pivot, but that leverage is real.
And the bicycle retailer on 3333 saw operating profit drop 28%, plus a massive impairment on stores. They're pivoting hard with Vision 2028, focusing on a circular model. Ruse and repair for Japan's 60 million existing bikes.
Oh, and a director resigned with 0% board attendance. Great look. Lastly, Obara Group ticker 6877 acquired NSSK QQ, moving beyond welding into power distribution components.
Big strategic pivot. Operating profit jumped 47%, and they spent $5.5 billion on buybacks. Major global institutions like T. Rowe Price are accumulating shares too.
Activist battles, dividend cuts, and pelvic trainers. That's the digest for today.
Watch those Palemo covenants and the publisher showdown. See you tomorrow.